Okay, so we saw a lot of rain yesterday, but today it was all about the wind, and as Adam mentioned, some snow might be expected for late tomorrow night. 22 News Drum Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon explains our chances for a white Christmas.
The weekend brought a whirlwind of weather. First rain and then a biting wind. Most areas in western Massachusetts picked up anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain Friday night into Saturday. Now Sunday was noticeably drier, but there was one weather condition that was still causing an annoyance. And as you can see in my hair, that was the wind. Wind gusts were forecast to reach up to 45 miles per hour, which can make temperatures in the low 40s feel like the mid-30s. That's because the strong wind blows away the layer of warm air surrounding your body, so you're losing body heat faster. After the wind today, it's snow and ice up for Monday night into Tuesday, and some locals are ready for the next round of plowable snow.
Oh, I'm excited for sure. I like all the snow and all the activities that come along with it.
And one local told 22 News he's hoping it sticks around until Christmas, which is just 10 days away.
Yeah, white Christmas, not too much. After that, it can start melting pretty quick, hopefully.
And with high temperatures relatively cooler the rest of the month, the snow just might stay on the ground until Christmas. Historically speaking, Springfield has a 40 to 50% chance of a white Christmas on any given year. The chance is higher the closer to the Berkshires you are. Kelly Reardon, 22 News.